Hi everyone, I'm Natalie and today I'm going to show you how to sculpt a female torso, like this one. I'm using earthenware clay, so this needs to be fired in a kiln. If you don't have that, you can also use air dry clay as a fun project at home. So without further ado, let's get into the tutorial on how to do these. You're going to start off by getting out the amount of clay that you need. I usually like to use oh my god, I've lost the word. Våg. Scale. Oh my god. That's just to make sure that they're all the same weight. This is 719 grams. That's way too much. I'm gonna do 400. That's a good number to start with. 400 grams. So we're going to start off by shaping this piece of clay. So I like to just put it like this, so it's kind of a bit similar to the shape that that we want. But I'm going to start off by pinching here, like this, and then I'm going to keep going towards the shoulders. And I like to use one as reference, just so I can see how big it should be, or how high. And then I have some extra clay here that I can use just to add on some features.